they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Where are the others?
They're inside.
Doing what?
I don't know.
Where are you going with all this luggage?
Madam, video come out. We don't come out from this place.
To where?
You don't know. But where things go went to that.
So, Helena has finally influenced you people to leave me. Please, just give me some time to do some spiritual consultation, please.
Please.
Madam, you do your best where you fit. But nothing they take place. Not be your fault. We dey think say we don't have the luck anymore, so we dey come out from your house.
No.
Please, stay.
Please.
Good stay.
Please come back. This will change.
Madam, don't worry. I will never leave you, okay? Are you sure? Let's go inside.
Hey.
Okay.
Good.
Somebody help me, my life is in your hands.
Oh God, I have to pick.
I
start from here. So goes this way. So you are picked.
And you know what?
She
Hey,
just
girls,
was in the
wait,
station.
let me say something. Tina, I have managed to secure the man's phone number. Let me tell you, I will do everything possible to win this man.
What if he does not answer your calls?
And who told you he wants? Huh? You know something? I am taking his number to Nanapa.
Who? What is Nana? You mean who? What? Who?
Are you a stranger in Jerusalem? Huh? Trust me, are you playing or not?
Hey girls, look who is here. Pastor Philip. I don't know. Hey.
I've come to see you girls. Am I welcomed?
Yeah. What can we do for you?
Pastor, do you care for some water?
Yes, I do.
Pastor, your presence here alone can contaminate us. How much more drinking in our glass? Don't you know that?
Tina, HIV is not communicable. It is spread through sex, blood contact, and by any means that has contact with blood, not by drinking from the same glass.
Hey! What can we do for you? Huh?
My sisters, I am here in peace. I have come to share some few thoughts with you about HIV/AIDS. The Lord has told me to speak to you about the disease.
What do you mean by the Lord asked you to come and talk to us about HIV? Girls, do we look like HIV victims? Listen, we don't have any time to listen to any rubbish.
Gloria, this is not rubbish. HIV is real. And you need to know something about it.
Pastor, if the Lord wanted someone to do something for him, he would definitely not use somebody like you. You, a pastor who could not even remain faithful to his wife. Hello, spare us.
Look, Pastor, leave.
Look, if I were you, I would be ashamed holding this Bible. Huh? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Please leave.
Leave.
As you can see, we are busy. So please, we have more important things to do. Excuse us. Girls.
Hey, yes. Hey, Pastor HIV. Come on, let's go.
Who's going first? Bernice, you go. It's your turn.
I haven't even started anything. Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, good for me.
Distributor of AIDS. Girls, you've justified your inclusion. Your first performance wasn't bad. I am putting you on 2 months probation. Meanwhile, I've appointed Helena to be your leader. You are going to pay 30% on all transactions you make to me. An additional 5% to Helena for introducing you to me. If you agree, then swear the oath.
Madam, we agree.
Good. Then follow me.
Renam. Alima Didi. Renam. Alima, are you sure there is nothing going on between you and Apigi?
No. He dey like me and I dey like him.
You see, if even there is something going on between the two of you, I want you to forget about him. For the simple reason that he's a small boy and he can't take care of you. He can't handle you with care. I will really take care of you. Alima, I want you to be my girlfriend. Take care of you seriously. Really make you feel like a woman. Think of it. Alima, I love you. Eat, Didi. Now think of it. I will really take care of you. It is not just love, but the one who will take care of you. Apigi is a driver's mate and I am the driver. So who can take care of the other? Think of it, Alima. Eat.
Hi, girls. Hi.
Hey. Why now? What's be the problem?
My sister. Thank you very much, Elena. Thank you very, very much. You see, I've wasted all my time with Selena for nothing. Now see, I'm okay.
I can see.
Helena, my darling.
Where did he go see you to? Huh?
Some cool residential area. Now listen, I wonder why the noble and has some man no get permanent girlfriend.
Wow, that one is his own problem.
Hey.
Did he go to use condom?
No.
Huh?
He said he does not enjoy using condom. But we bargained it. And the price was
good. I
fantastic.
trust you now.
Honestly, the man is good. It's good.
Mansa, that man picked me before. Yes. Did he give you $?
Hey, hey girl. Follow me. I'm going to show you the real dollars. I mean, live dollars. Follow me.
Mansa.
Today you are going to see real dollars for yourself.
Are you serious?
I'm more than serious.
God, money. Money.
Hello. Hi. Weku.
Ajele,
Madam.
don't you think we should go home? We've been here for the past 6 hours and nothing seems to happen.
You don't have to lose hope. I strongly believe today we'll catch a bird.
Are you sure?
You just trust my instinct.
Alima, why did you take us to my master just right now?
What were you expecting me to do? You lied to your master and you placed me in a tight corner.
You see, I has to protect you. I has to run.
Okay. Don't worry. I know how to handle the two of you. But don't do anything for your master to suspect us.
Then you have to be very careful.
I hear you.
Alima. I will sleep here tonight.
Sure? Piggy.
Alima.
Excuse me, come. How are you?
Hi.
I'm looking for Alima. Could you please look for her for me?
Oh, yes, sir.
I'll be waiting here. Alima. Look, take this for some ice water, okay? Alima.
Master.
I'm taking you around for shopping, okay? Come on, let's go.
Master.
Alima, among all the girls that I have dated, you are the one that I like most. I'll be leaving for Europe next week.
And when are you coming back?
Not immediately. But don't worry. I'll give you some money to do business. What business do you have in mind?
I want to go to the villages and buy foodstuffs and sell. I learned it's a very good business.
All right, and how much do you think will be okay for that business?
Any amount you give me will be okay.
This is 10 million cedis. And tomorrow, I will take you to a friend of mine so that I'll get you a mobile phone. And we can be in touch as I'm away. Okay?
Mobile phone from me? Mr. Casey, I can't believe this. God bless you.
Don't worry. You are going to be the first Kayayo to use a mobile phone. Huh? I have given her a mobile phone and 10 million cedis plus HIV. But I think the biggest gift is the HIV. Beware. You are my next victim.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Oko sajifa wudi mi penye nche. Adia wo hobi da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya mi de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi krome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware.